Welcome to your owner portal. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the main features of the portal and show you how to access the information that matters most to you as a property owner. This portal is designed to give you convenient, real-time access to your portfolio information anytime you need it. The portal link is always accessible via our website at mylakelandhome.com. If you do not have access to your portal, please reach out to our team and we will send you a portal invite. Let's go ahead and get started. As you'll notice right away, the navigation menu is located on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, you'll see options such as Ledger, Properties, Rent Roll, Statements, Files, Bills, and Work Orders. We'll be diving into each of these sections so you can see exactly what they offer and how to use them. You'll also see additional sections such as Estimates, Payments, Chat, Reports, and Settings, all designed to give you greater visibility and control over your portfolio. Let's start on the home screen. When you first log into your portal, this is the first screen you'll see. Your home screen provides a quick overview of your portfolio and highlights some of the most important items at a glance. This includes payments made to you, owner contributions you've made, unpaid bills, open work orders, and your current reserve settings for the portfolio, including any work order estimate reserve settings. This screen is designed to give you a snapshot of what is happening across your account without needing to dig through multiple sections. You'll also see an option here to manage payments. Let's take a look at how that works. In the payment section, you'll be able to manage the payment methods connected to your portal. This includes the ability to add or update the bank account where we send your owner disbursements, as well as payment methods you may use if you need to make a contribution to your portfolio. For contributions, you have two options. You can add a bank account and make a payment by e-check or ACH transfer, which is completely free, or you can add a credit card, which includes a 4% processing fee and is generally not recommended unless necessary. Once your payment methods are set up, making a contribution is simple. You can use one of your saved payment methods, or you can manually enter different account information if needed. Now that we've covered payment options, let's move into the ledger. The ledger gives you a real-time view of transactions across your portfolio. Here you'll be able to see the financial activity for your entire portfolio within a specific date range. If you own more than one property or unit, you can also filter the ledger down to a specific property to narrow your view. The ledger is easy to read and provides a clear breakdown of increases and decreases to your account, along with a running balance. One of the biggest advantages of this section is transparency. The information is updated live, so the moment we post a payment or transaction, it appears in your ledger. That means you do not need to wait for a monthly statement just to see current activity. Next, let's move down to properties. The properties section gives you a more detailed look at each property we manage for you. Once you open an individual property, you'll see a navigation bar at the top with additional sections such as details, marketing, maintenance, bills, shared files, and the property-specific ledger. This section is very straightforward and gives you the ability to drill down into each property and review the information we maintain for it. Within the details section, you may see information such as the property's bedroom and bathroom count, square footage, current lease information, and any security deposits being held. You may also see appliance information, including warranty details where applicable, along with notes related to the property. The Marketing tab allows you to see whether the property is currently being marketed and what marketing details are being used. Now let's take a look at maintenance. The maintenance section gives you visibility into the maintenance activity taking place at a specific property. From here, you can review work orders, open a specific work order to check its status, and view any attached files or bills associated with that issue. This helps provide full transparency into repairs and maintenance coordination taking place at the property. If you'd like to see work orders for your entire portfolio in one place rather than by individual property, you can also use the Work Orders tab on the left-hand side navigation menu. Next, let's move to the Rent Roll. The Rent Roll is a simple but very useful overview of your current lease information. This section shows each property's current lease status, including lease start and end dates, current rent amount, deposits being held, and whether the tenant has a balance due. It's a quick way to review occupancy and lease related information across the portfolio. Next is statements. The statement section is where you'll find the statements we send to you each month, along with any annual statements that may be needed for tax purposes. You'll be able to see the date range tied to each statement, and you can also filter statements by date range if you are looking for something specific. When you open a statement, you'll be able to view the statement itself, download it as a PDF, and review any bills paid on your behalf during that same statement period. You also have the option to download the entire statement package as a zip file, which can be especially useful for record keeping or sharing with your accountant. Next, let's move over to the Files tab. The Files tab is where you can locate general documents that have been shared with you. This may include items such as your management agreement, important shared documents, and year-end documents such as your 1099s. It is important to note that these files are separate from any property-specific files that may be stored within the individual property pages. Next is the Bills tab. The Bills section is very straightforward. This tab provides a list of bills that have been paid on your behalf and allows you to open and review those bills individually. It's a simple way to track expenses and see exactly what has been paid through the system. Next, let's look at work orders. The Work Orders tab allows you to see open work orders across your entire portfolio in one place. From here, you can open and review each work order individually to monitor status, details, and supporting information. This is especially helpful if you own multiple properties and want a centralized view of maintenance activity. Next is Estimates. The Estimates tab is where you'll find repair estimates that are waiting for your review and approval. Typically, if an issue exceeds our $500 maintenance threshold, our team will reach out to let you know about the issue, and you will also receive an email notification letting you know that an estimate is available in the portal for your approval. Inside this section, you can review the estimate details, which usually include a copy of the vendor's estimate, and then choose to approve or reject it directly through the portal. Next is payments, which we touched on earlier. Although we already reviewed this earlier in the video, you'll also notice that the Payments section has its own direct link in the left-hand navigation menu for quick access at any time. From there, you can manage your saved payment methods, update your disbursement account information, and make contributions if needed. Next, let's look at the Chat tab. The chat feature allows you to send messages to our team and share files with us directly through the portal. This can be a convenient communication option for certain items, but we do want to mention that it is not always the fastest or most reliable way to reach us for time-sensitive matters. For anything urgent or important, we recommend reaching out by direct email or phone to help avoid messages being overlooked. Now let's move to one of the most powerful features in the portal: Reports. The Reports tab is one of my favorite tools for owners who really want to analyze their portfolio. This section gives you access to a wide range of reports using the live data stored in the system for your properties. You can pull reports such as cash flow reports, income statements, and many others depending on the information you want to review. For owners who like deeper insight into performance, this is one of the most powerful tools available in the portal and gives you more control over how you view and analyze your portfolio data. Finally, there is one more feature we want to point out before we wrap up: portfolio switching. At the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a box with your name on it and a three-dot menu. This is especially important for owners who have multiple portfolios, such as separate LLCs or ownership entities that are not grouped under the same portfolio. That menu allows you to switch between the different portfolios assigned to your login. From time to time, owners call us because they cannot locate a property, and in many cases, the issue is simply that they are logged into a different portfolio view. So if something appears to be missing, this is one of the first places to check. That covers the main sections of your owner portal. Our goal is to give you clear, convenient access to your portfolio information so you can stay informed and connected at any time. As always, if you ever have questions about something you see in the portal or need help finding information, our team is happy to assist. Thanks for taking the time to go through this with me, and I hope this walkthrough helps you feel more comfortable navigating your portal.